Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iOS app push notifications with OneSignal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the OneSignal website. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the Add App button on your dashboard. Choose the iOS option from the list of platforms. Enter your app name and select the appropriate options for your app type. Click Next to proceed to the setup process. Next, you will need to configure your app's push notification settings. Download the OneSignal SDK or use CocoaPods to integrate it into your Xcode project. If using CocoaPods, add the OneSignal pod to your pod file. Run pod install in your terminal to install the SDK. Open your project in Xcode and navigate to your app targets. Go to the Capabilities tab and toggle on Push Notifications. Then, enabled background modes and check Remote Notifications. You will also need to request permission to send notifications from your users. In your app delegate file, import the OneSignal header. Initialize OneSignal in the did-finish launching with options method. Set the OneSignal app ID to the OneSignal initialization method. Next, add your OneSignal notification handler in the app delegate. This will help you manage notification actions and responses. Next, configure your app's app ID on OneSignal's dashboard. Under the Settings section, enter your Apple Push Notification Authentication key. Follow the instructions to generate and upload this key securely. Now, go back to your app, build and run it to test push notifications. Ensure that you have properly configured the provisioning profiles for push notifications in your Xcode project. Register your device to receive push notifications and note the user ID generated by Visit the OneSignal dashboard to send your first test notification. Click on Messages and then New Push. Select your target audience and customize the notification content. Preview your notification and click on Send Message to deliver it. Finally, monitor the performance of your push notifications in the OneSignal dashboard. This will help you refine your notification strategy over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.